I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 270 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, used to post on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, can we add cereal to the late night buffet, please? How many elegant nights are there on a 14-day Journeys cruise? I heard the pools are open later on the Festivale. Are they going to do that with the other ships? Can I bring bubbles on board? You know, blowy bubble thingies? And can we pre-book the ropes course on the Carnival Magic?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if there could be cereal added to the late night buffet. John said, he don't know, but he will certainly ask his colleagues if they can get this done. But I'll tell you, I don't know. I think a bowl of cereal with a nice cold glass of whole milk, please don't put 2% or skim up there. I think that'd be great as a late night snack and a hell of a lot healthier than what I normally eat. What do you think? Would you eat cereal? Put it in the comments down below. Thank you. All right, question two. This cruiser was wondering how many elegant nights are there on a 14-day cruise? John said this would be considered a Journeys cruise, so there would be two regular elegant evenings plus a third one on the day they call a throwback. So a throwback is a throwback to 1987. So they go with like some of the classic pool games, horse racing, stuff like that during the day. And then at night, it is definitely another elegant evening. And they have the captain's cocktail hour. So there you go. Question three. This cruiser said they saw something online that the pools will be open later on the Festivale. And they want to know if this was true. And if it is true, is it going to be on other ships as well? John said it will be the case for the new Festivale, but there are no plans to change anything on the other ships. So the Festivale is coming out with a massive water park. Instead of doing the roller coaster, which doesn't work half the time, the whole upper deck is going to be just a giant water park. So it would make sense that they keep it open later. So if you like to do some like pool type things and water slides and stuff at night, you're going to be able to do it on the Festivale. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question four. This cruiser is going on their first cruise with their family and participating in a gift exchange. They are aware of the rules for plastic bottles with liquid in them, but they want to know about bubbles. So their kids are participating in this and they bought bubbles as part of the gift exchange. John said, unfortunately, bubbles are not allowed to be brought on board for environmental reasons. They can also make the decks super slippery, so no bubbles, unfortunately. I mean, we were on a cruise a while back, and this guy had a giant bubble wand letting these big things out. But I can tell you, when they got close to us and they popped, they sprayed you with this stuff. So I can imagine that being on an open deck. Whee! Somebody goes over the side, shark food, not a good thing. Last question. This cruiser is going on the Magic and wanted to know if there was any way they could pre-book the ropes course as they have 4 sea days on this cruise. John said, unfortunately, that's not something you can pre-book. Us personally, we've never tried the ropes course and it doesn't always seem to be too busy, so these folks should be okay. But if you've ever done the ropes course, let us know in the comments below. Was there a long line? Did you have to wait a long time for it to get on there? Don't know. That's been episode 270 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.